Okay, let us continue further. So we have seen that what type of sculptures were developed. Then let us continue page number 59. Shaniwar Wada and Vishram Bagh Wada in Pune, Sarkar Wada in Nashik, Raghunath Rao Peshwa's Wada at Kopargaon, the Vadas of the Satara Chhatrapati, as also the old Vadas at Vai, Menwali, Tok, Shrigonde, Pandharpur are the symbols of the medieval Vada culture. So which Vadas were constructed where and which places is the list given in this paragraph. So these also show, I told you Vadas is the more developed house than what we had the small houses in the villages. Okay, so that time Vadas were considered as the people, rich people who had good houses were considered to be staying in the Vadas. So these many Vadas were developed at that time. Baked as well as unbaked bricks were used to build the Vadas. So I told you now the small houses in the villages are the construction of what? Mud. Most of them mati use karte the, yes or no? Which can be collapsed any time due to the climatic conditions. Excuse me. But Vadas were constructed by using bricks, okay? Baked or unbaked. Baked means विट भट्टी में वो wheat को जला के उसको तैयार करते हैं ना. So those wheats are long lasting, which we are using in our constructions nowadays. So these type of wheats were used while constructing the Vadas. Then wooden columns, rafts, boards, dress stones, arches, finely prepared lime, round tiles for the roof, mud and bamboo were all used in the construction. So see the changes in the construction of the houses now. First kache house built karte the, right? But now so many things were started using in the construction so that the durability of the house will become strong. Okay, so all these things were used. The Vadas were decorated with sketches, paintings, wooden sculptures and mirrors. One more improvement was that not only Vadas were built, but they were very nicely decorated with some paintings, some great people's paintings were drawn, some themes were there. So this way they used to decorate with the sketches, with the wooden sculptures, wooden se carving kiye hue jo sculptures hai, that were there, and even the mirrors. You can see if we have seen in the TV also, in ancient pictures also, they were having the background with all the mirror work was there, decorative mirror work was there. Yes or no? Especially the Muslim masjids and all these places were having those mirror works. Yes, beautifully colorful mirror work was there. So these type of decorations were there in the Vadas. Then temples. The temples of this period are built in the Hemadpanthi style of the Yadav period. There was one style which the Yadavs used to do. Okay, the Yadavs who were staying that time in the Yadav period, one style was there of building the temple. That style was named as Hemadpanthi style. The Shikhar of the Ambabai temple at Kolhapur, the temples on the Jyotiba hill, Shambhu Mahadev temple at Shikhar Shinganapur, then Grishneshwar temple at Verul are excellent specimens of sculpture. So these are the good examples of very excellent sculptures. If you want to see that these are the examples of the excellent sculptures. Okay. Then the Bhavani Devi temple on Pratapgarh and the Sapkoteshwar temple at Goa were built by Shivaji Maharaj. So these are the temples built by Shivaji Maharaj. Other temples of the Peshwa period are the Kalaram temple at Nasik, the Shiva temple at Trambakeshwar, the Shiva temples at Kaigaon and Tok on the confluence of the Godavari and Pravra, and the Mohini Raj temple at Nevasa. So these are the places. What do you mean by confluence of the Godavari? Means the small tributaries which are joining to the Godavari at that place, okay, where the opening of the Godavari is there and small other rivers are merging in that. That is called as the confluence of the Godavari. So that place also were there. So these are the names of the temple and the places where they were built. Then these you have to remember by learning the names. There is no other option and nothing is there to explain. You have to remember the names of the temples, of the sculptures and at which places. Okay. Ghat. Ghat you know na? You people may be knowing ghats, yes or no? Ghats, whenever we are traveling from one place to another, in between the mountains, one way is coming. Means the mountains are dug and from there a bypass is going, and that is called as a ghat. Yes or no? So let us see, stone ghats built on a river or at the confluence of rivers are characteristic of Marathe Shahi. So these were built on the river or at the confluence of the river. The most remarkable specimen of a ghat is one at a toe. So if you want to see the specimen ghat, the very famous ghat, so that is at Tok, then Pravra Sangam on the confluence of the Godavari and Pravra. In a flight of steps, there would be one wide step at regular intervals. So if you see that in a ghat, in a flight of steps, you are having regular steps. Okay, so that is spreading at wide and regular intervals. This would lend beauty to the entire ghat construction, and because of these regular intervals, it is imaging, the image what is happening of the ghats is giving the real beauty to the construction. Strong bastions were built at regular intervals so as to prevent damage due to water currents. Bastions are one things which are built so that if there are adverse effects of the strong currents, if water currents की वजह से कभी कुछ नुकसान होने वाला रहता है, so due to prevent that damage, some strong bastions are built overhead so that we can protect the adverse effects of the strong water currents. Okay. Painting. The painting on the walls of Shaniwar Wada are the important ones of the Peshwa period. Where is the Shaniwar Wada? Anyone knows? Pune. Yes. You can, if you visit, you can really see them. They are very beautiful. So they are the important, and they have been done in which period? In Peshwa's period. Ragho, Tanaji, Anuprao, Shivram, Mankoji are some of the important painters of this period. The painter Gangaram Tambat was famous at the time of Savai Madhavrao Peshwa. So first they have given the list of the painters, and also one more painter who was become very famous at the time of Savai Madhavrao Peshwa. His name was Gangaram Tambat. Okay, turn your page. The Peshwas encouraged painting. That time when there was a rule of Peshwas, they were encouraging these paintings. Vadas in the Pune, Satara, Menwali, Nasik, Chandwad and Nipani regions during the Peshwa period had paintings on their walls. So these are the places which were having paintings on their walls during the Peshwa's period. Temples at Pandeshwar, Morgaon, Pal, Benwadi, Pashan near Pune have paintings on the walls. So they are giving the places where there are paintings on the walls. The themes of these paintings. Now what was the themes of the paintings? The themes of the paintings were Dashavatar. Dashavatar means 10 avatars which we are worshipping. Ravan के जो 10 अवतार थे, yes or no? जो हम लोग जलाते हैं दशहरे के दिन. So that 10 avatars, Ganpati, Shankar, Ram Panchayatana, mythological stories. What do you mean by mythological stories? Very old ancient stories, okay? So those stories, Ramayana, Mahabharata, festivals and so on. All these themes are taken, and considering these themes, the walls are painted. At Jamod in Vidarbha, Jain Charitra paintings adorn the Jain temple. Even Jain people, they are having their temples. If you see their temples, all the Jain Charitra means the religion of our Jain. I am a Jain, okay? So I know well good what are the temples carrying. Whatever is our religious, whatever our Mahavir God and his followers had done, all the God's Charitra or character is impacted through the ways of painting in the temples, okay? Adorn means what? Decorate, okay? Or flourish, make it more beautiful with these paintings. Then illustrations in the pothis, miniatures, portraits, scenes, etc. were also painted. Now whatever examples are the illustrations mean what? Examples. जो पोथी में, ग्रंथ में, Bibles में, every religion is having their own books. Yes, or the holy books are there. So those illustrations which are given, any story is given or any scene is given in that book. those were also taken as a way for painting on the walls. Okay, those pictures were also painted on the walls. Again, sculpture now, important specimens. Okay, I will continue in the next video. So many videos.